Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We got actually a mail day package with a handful of cases. So we got two of the cases which belong to you there, Rod, and then we also, John, your SPA damage box hits placements did come back, and then Black Diamond, this case number is Black Diamond 1709, which is a website mixer. So there you go guys. So you got quite a bit. So they just combine all these in there, so that's what this letter is. So, Rod, I don't know if we'll open any of yours. So let's see. Oh, nice. Thanks for actually labeling these upper deck. So, this one belongs to Rod. And actually, that was your Cam Atkinson replacement, so they sent you that. Looks like they might have sent you an extra Hoffman. This one belongs to John. So this was like your whole box 1718 SPA that was damaged. That one. And this one's actually the Synergy hit. Oh, that belongs to you too there, Rod. Didn't look like they labeled that one. And this one is the Black Diamond 1709 break. So 1709, whoever has Vegas, you'll be getting this one. Actually, I'll just actually take a look at the website here. I should pull that up to see who had Vegas in 1709. Let me just open it. So Wade P. Actually, I just pulled up my Excel sheet. So Wade, and Blake 1709, you were the one that had Vegas. So I'm sending you that hit out in your next package. So thanks again, guys. And